What if I told you that one skill could completely change your future? Not a college degree. Not years of experience. But the ability to use artificial intelligence. AI is changing the way we work, create, and solve problems. The people learning AI today are preparing for tomorrow's opportunities. Here are 3 AI skills you should start learning now. First, prompt engineering. A prompt is simply an instruction you give to AI. Better prompts produce better results. Instead of asking AI to write an article, ask it to write a professional article for a specific audience with a clear goal. Small changes in your prompt can completely improve the final result. Learning to communicate with AI is becoming one of the most valuable digital skills. Second, AI automation. Think about all the repetitive tasks you do every day, like answering emails, organizing files, creating reports, or scheduling meetings. AI can help automate many of these tasks, saving hours every week. Automation isn't about replacing people. It's about allowing people to focus on creative work and important decisions. Third, AI content creation. Every business needs content. Videos, articles, social media posts, presentations, and images are created every day. AI can help generate ideas, write drafts, create visuals, and speed up your workflow. But remember, AI is only a tool. Your creativity is what makes the final result unique. The future belongs to people who know how to work with AI, not people who ignore it. You don't need to master everything today. Start with one skill, practice consistently, and keep learning. Technology will continue to evolve, but the ability to adapt will always be your greatest advantage. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about AI tools, automation, and future technology, subscribe to Future Wealth AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.